Okay, guys, I have two people here trying to guess what my rank is. Here's my rank. Okay. So now let's see if they can guess it. So, what is your rank? I mean, what do you
200
think?
I think it's 234.
Nah, bro's not even close. Okay. What about you? What about you? What do you think it is?
100. Probably up. 100.
100.
You just think 100?
53.
153? That's incorrect too. Hey, what about Hi Guy? Hi Guy, what do you think it is?
Probably
Who's the
not.
closest?
I
We're gonna see who's the closest.
You
Let's
are
see who's the
at
closest.
128.
Incorrect. Hi Guy's the closest though. I'm at
Wait, can I redo it? Wait,
108.
can I redo it?
I'm on level 108. Hi Guy is the closest to it. But make sure to subscribe.